Hello, I'm all discombobulated today. Today's video is going to be a ThredUP unboxing. I actually have two boxes to unbox. I need to take a breath. I literally just ran upstairs and downstairs and back upstairs because I forgot something. I have two of the activewear boxes. I don't remember how much they were, but they sell out very quickly. There's 15 pieces in each box. My favorite box from ThredUP to get because there's always, well, I might have gotten one or two boxes without Lululemon. I was gonna say there's always Lululemon in the boxes. I might have gotten one or two without Lululemon, but for the most part, they're good. First thing on top is Lululemon. All right, so this has definitely some pilling to it. These are, I wanna say fast and free. Those are the fast and free crops, I think. They're a size 4. So this box is extra small and small. I've only gotten one medium size activewear box. They're just really hard to get. They sell out like literally as soon as they're on the website. So, but yeah, I think these are fast and free black leggings. They do have some pilling. The crotchal region looks good. Actually, it's not even that bad. It's just on the back. Like a quick sweater shave will take care of those. Okay, this is NuSource Champion. High rise shorts, size small. No, not shorts. Leggings. Crop leggings from Champion. This will probably go in a dollar show. This is also Champion. This is a size small. Again, this will probably go in a dollar show as well. More Champion. More Champion. This is a size friggin' what? Medium. Short sleeve shirt in a dollar show. Jacket. Fila. I mean, this is cute. It does have pilling on the arm. Probably in a dollar show. This is nice though. Dun, dun, dun. More Champion. Size small. I like the color. Just cute little shorts, but probably gonna be in a dollar show. Lululemon! I think these are the Track That shorts. Ooh, this is a fun print. Let me check the size. It's either gonna be 2 or 4. So they're gonna be 2 or 4, 2 or 4, or maybe it doesn't have a size dot. It doesn't have a size dot. It doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Maybe it's over here. That's the only pocket. No, it doesn't have a size dot. My guess would be a 4. These are cute. I think these are the tracker shorts. Tracker shorts. What is this? Nike. Just some black shorts. These do not look like a small. This must be men's small because these are kind of big. Little black shorts, dollar show. Oh, I think this is Gymshark. Yep, Gymshark. Little camo leggings with the booty scrunch on the back. Okay. There's the Sharky Shark. Gymshark's tags are in the ankle, which is brilliant, but this one was cut out. But yeah, these are, I don't know. These look a little bit bigger. It's got 3 notches. I think that's a medium. It's got the 3 notches. These don't look, these are a medium, I want to say. I know with Lulu, the notches are different. Got a Reebok bra, size small, dollar show. Zella, cute little black jacket. Zella is sold at Nordstrom, size small, it's cute. Nike Pro shorts, size small. The elastic is like, yes, Lululemon, little racerback tank. I would say that that's a size 4. There's the Lulu right there. These are definitely men's, I think. Extra small American Eagle, little like cargo joggers. These are definitely men's. This is supposed to be an all women's box, but there are some discrepancies. Sometimes you get like a random men's item like this. Other times you'll get a random kids item. So kind of is what it is. I could complain to ThredUP and be like, hey, and I have done that before actually, because I didn't know, like I didn't read this fine print, but they credited me like $3 back or whatever, you know, the cost of that one item would be, so it's not even worth it. All right, so that was the first box. That was a good box, for sure. 3 Lululemon items, and Zella, and Gymshark, and Champion. The rest is all gonna go in a dollar show, but yes, I'm happy with that box. Box number 2. Ooh, these are cute. I don't know what brand this is. Size small. What does that B? Oh, my camera's not focusing. There we go. I don't know what that B means. I don't know. I don't know this brand. Nothing in the pocket. That's the only tag. There's no RN number. I don't know this brand, but these are cute. Size small. I love this color. They're high-waisted. They feel nice. They're lined. Yeah, I don't know what that is. That B. I don't know. This looks like more Gymshark. Yes. More Gymshark. All right, how many notches are in this bitch? 2 notches. Okay, so this is definitely a small. So yes, those other Gymsharks were definitely mediums. This is definitely a small. This black camo with the Gymshark on the hip right there. Hold on, let me just check. They've got a tag, or is the tag cut out of this one too? Oh, no, it's a, yes, small, okay. Yes, 2 notches is a small, 3's gotta be a medium then. Okay, all right. All right, what is this? Little sports bra, Athleta. Right, that's the Athleta logo, but I don't see the size, but I would say that's a small. Ooh, Beyond Yoga, extra small. Beyond Yoga is a great brand. These are so soft. Somebody's calling me. These are cropped. Again, Beyond Yoga is a great brand. It is. Okay, next is this Nike long sleeve, size small. This will go in a dollar show. Ooh, this Champion bra has seen better days. I'm probably just gonna toss this, honestly. What is this? Ooh, this is Gymshark. Oh, this is cute. Cropped little long sleeve. Love this color. It's so pretty. That is cute. Ooh, what is this? This is New Balance, size small. This is cute, like a little waffle knit kind of. That would fit a medium. This is very oversized. It's cute. Waffle knit, diamond print knit. I'm dropping shit. What are you? Ooh, I bet this is Athleta. Oh, yes, Athleta. The Chelsea cargo lined pants. Oh, shit. Size 8. It's a good size. They're black and they're lined. Yes, I'm excited for these. Got a little cargo pocket. Obviously, because it's called the cargo lined pants. These are nice. These are just some basic Adidas track pants. Size small. I'm probably just going to toss these, honestly. Maybe put them in a dollar show. I don't know. Is this a jacket? A jacket? Columbia. Size small. Ooh, this is nice. Little purple jacket. Oh, I see Fabletics. Fabletics leggings. Size. I don't know. I would say these are small. Lululemon. Yes. Oh, this is a Swiftly. We got a Swiftly. Hold on. Where's the size? Size 6. It's so nice. A Swiftly zip with a hood. So nice. Yay. Any more Lulu? Any more Lulu? What are you? You're not Lulu. Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? I don't know. Oh, Aloe. Okay, I'll take Aloe. Aloe's my second love. Size small, just some black crop leggings. Aloe. There it is. One more thing. What is this? Not Lululemon. This feels nice. What is this? What is this? What brand are you? Zella. Okay, size small. Just really pretty navy full-length leggings. Again, Zella is sold at Nordstrom. It's not a bad brand at all. Okay, this box was good as well. Both boxes are really good. I'm super happy. If you guys see anything that you're interested in, definitely come check out my Whatnot shows, because they're either going to be in a dollar show, in a Lululemon show, or in one of my Activewear shows. If you're new to ThredUP and you've never signed up, I do have a link that you can use and you'll get $10 off. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.